Хакери обявиха, че през ноември ще атакуват и унищожат социалната мрежа Facebook.
Във видео, пуснато в популярен интернет сайт, се казва, че групировката Анонимните ще атакува сайта на 5 ноември и призовава да се присъединят и доброволци.
Remember the 5th of November.
Of the internet, living in Facebook is the opposite of the anti-sect cause. You are not safe from them nor from any government. One day you will look back on this and realize what we have done here is right. Think for a while and prepare for a day that will go down in history. November 5th, 2011. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.
Who came to the defense of Julian Assange may need a pretty good defense team of their own. 5 members of a group of cyber hackers known as Anonymous is arrested in the UK, suspected of having a role in a series of internet attacks aimed at big business called Operation Payback. Wall Street Journal has
eure streitsüchtige Natur. All das ist uns aufgefallen. Dadurch, dass euer neuestes Propagandavideo in öffentliche Kanäle durchgesickert ist, wurde uns der schädliche Einfluss auf die euch als Anführer vertrauen klar gemacht. Anonymous hat daher entschieden, dass eure Organisation zerstört werden sollte.